Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. And today, as you notice, I don't have makeup on. So you're probably thinking, oh, she's going to do a look. Well, that's partially true. But for this video, I'm kind of in a hurry to see what's in my BoxyCharm. It's arrived. So if you're interested in seeing which variation I have, please stay tuned. All right, my wildflowers, I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to put my makeup on to look at the variation. You know, this month, November, the base box is supposed to have maybe Natasha Denona's Peak palette. And I really want that palette because I practically have all of her other palettes and I really like that color scheme. It's probably just in my head, because I probably have colors that are like that in her other palettes. But, you know, I figure I really do want that palette. But I'm really nervous now because I don't know, did I get it or did I not? And so without further ado, let's get started. And also, what I want to let you know is the reason why I don't have any makeup on is because I do want to do a look, but if I didn't get it, I'm going to be a little bit disappointed, but I still need to do another video with whatever I have in my box. Because if you don't get the Natasha Denona palette, I believe there's another palette in there. And so we'll see. Okay. So I'm really nervous about it. And as you notice, it's not opened yet. And believe me, I had a hard time not opening it. I was like, oh my gosh. But I did do one thing. I did weigh it, and it weighs 1 pound 3 5/8 ounces. That's really precise. I have a digital, like a male scale, so that's what it said. So in other words, 1 pound and 3 ounces is pretty much essentially what it is. And I did get it today, and I couldn't believe it because I don't know what is going on with their app, or maybe it's not their app. I don't think it's their app. I think it's FedEx. It says it's pending delivery. I'm thinking, what does that mean, pending delivery? And so I'm thinking this box went out a day before the plus. So I think I may have the other one tomorrow. So let's see what happens. So let's get it done. Okay. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Okay. I'm afraid to look. I'm going to go ahead and open it like this. And I see a card. And I'm going to go ahead and take the card out first. Okay, let's see. BoxyCharm. It's called Harvest. Okay, that is the theme of the month. Of course, it's aligned with Thanksgiving. And so I'm not going to look at the product that's in here. I'm going to cover it, but I am going to look at the variation. The variation number is 17. I think this is the first time I've seen 17. I mean, there's multiples of 40s out there, but this is 17. I'm not going to look at the card. And I'm going to look what's in here. Oh. Well, let's see what I got. First thing I see is Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Okay, this is skincare. Okay, so let's see what it says about the skincare. I'm going to look in a box. It says, what if mushrooms were your skin's next superfood? Discovery, meet Mother Nature's moisture magnet. Snow mushrooms can hold nearly 500 times their weight in water, creating a maximum surge of hydration and helping improve moisture retention. A natural multitasker, this magic mushroom keeps skin healthy looking while fighting against visible signs of premature aging. It helps promote skin's natural collagen production, minimizing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Meet the new holy grail of skincare ingredients. So let's see. Big question here. Do we have fragrance? Oh, wow. It's got a lot of stuff. A lot of good stuff. Watermelon, fruit extracts. Please tell me you have all this good stuff. And you know what? Yay! I can use it. It's got no fragrance. So, okay. That's one plus. Okay. Oh, and this retails for, sorry about that. Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom. Wow, $62. Bam, $62. That's a lot. Okay, that's good. Okay, the next piece I have is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask and 8 Super Omega Essence. You know, I actually wanted this when I saw this. I said, you know what, sounds pretty good because I love turmeric and turmeric is very good. And if you're ingesting turmeric, make sure it's mixed with pepper, otherwise it's not activated. So just letting you know. Throw that in there. Okay, it says here, what is this all about? 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask formulated with 8 Super Orange Essence. Okay. 8 Super Orange Essence. This gentle 2-in-1 mask and face polish hydrates and exfoliates, leaving skin supple and radiant. Okay, and it's by Yensa. And let's see. There's a lot of extracts again. Let's see. Ooh, it's got like dragon fruit extract too. That's nice. Orange extract. Wow. No fragrance. They must be listening to me. They must be watching my videos. No, not really. But yeah, I'm happy about that. At least the things I'm getting are things that I can use. So that is $45. Wow. This box is so worth it because you all know the base box, which is red. I forgot to explain that to you. This is red base box, is $25. And so far, what did I say? 65 and no, 62 and 45. So hey, pretty good. Okay, next, what do I have? Okay, this is Jekka Black Liquid Corrector and 2.0 vegan friendly, cruelty free. So it's a liquid corrector. 2.0 liquid corrector offers light coverage and corrects under eye darkness. Apply under the eyes with small brush or fingertips. Can be used alone or before applying concealer. Be fearless. You look fabulous. Okay, so I guess this is a concealer. Okay, so how much are you? Okay, it's $15 retail price. Let's see what that looks like. I guess 2.0. Oh, okay. I think I've seen this before. I think 2.0 is the color, I'm going to say. You know what? I'm not going to open this because I have tons of concealers, as you guys know. Okay, next. This was my choice, actually. This was my eyebrow wiz. I already have one open, and this is by Benefit. And this is, I don't think this is this the full size? I'm not really sure. It must be because my other one is like teeny tiny. So this is $24. Yep, $24 for this. And the one I have, I think, Gimme Brow is much smaller. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, because here's the one I have, which is miniature. So yeah, okay, that one's full price. I mean, full size. There it is. And I just have one more thing. Natasha Denona. I got it. Yeah, I bet you guys thought, aw, she didn't get it, poor thing. But yeah, here it is. Here it is. Let's see. Make sure it's like in one piece. Okay, you guys ready? Deep breath. Oh, so pretty. So beautiful. And this is the, I think I'm going to use everything I got today. And I'm going to finish this video off. And then I will record a look with it. So it did work out. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. So you can see. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And so what are the colors here? Let me see. Can you see that? Okay. It starts off with Aya is the white. And then you have Jasper next to that. And then you have, what is that? Thorn. Then you have Amara. And then the shiny one is Shine. And so there is 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and one, is that, I'm not sure if that's oh, it's a metallic. Yep. There you go. I don't know if you can see that right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on for you after this video. So I'm not going to swatch it. No need. So I did get what I wanted. And this here, I believe, retails for $48 unless I'm mistaken. Natasha didn't know. Yes, $48. So, wow. And it went way above. So how much was it? Okay, that's 50, 60, 70, 84, 84, 86, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 146. Wow, this math. 146, 6, 4, 190, 196? Yeah, $196, right? Well, I'll have to do the math again because I'm so excited. And so, okay, that's that. Again, the weight of this box was 1 pound, 3 ounces, and the variation number was 17. Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the surprise. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if there's any of you out there that have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and remember to ring that bell so that way you are notified every time I upload a video. And without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go. And so remember, don't sweat the small stuff. And I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.